Why does my clutch pedal get stuck? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So a lot of times if your clutch pedal gets stuck, you're also having an issue with it either releasing or engaging a little too close to the floor or very close to the floor. So you are probably going to have a clutch that has a hydraulic system. So basically it works kind of similar to our brakes, in that when we push on the pedal, we're pushing on a master cylinder, which is kind of like a syringe, which is squirting fluid out. That fluid goes through some lines, and then on a clutch, it goes to something called the slave cylinder. They look differently on different cars, but this is one that's internal to the bell housing. Now, if we lose any hydraulic fluid, we get any air in it, then when we push on it, it's going to be spongy, and we're not going to actually start releasing that clutch early enough. And oftentimes on the clutch pedal, we have a spring that kind of goes over center. So it holds the pedal up, but then as we get about halfway down, then it actually helps us push the pedal slightly. And so what'll happen is if we have too much air in that system, when we push the pedal down, it'll go past center on that spring, and the spring will actually hold it to the floor until we put our toe back under it and bring it back up. So if your pedal is sticking or you're engaging or releasing really close to the floor, it is highly likely that you have a problem in the clutch hydraulics, either in the master cylinder or in the slave cylinder. I hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.